There's a short list of boats that nearly made me walk away. Realistically, this one's more for jokes, but old cabin cruisers with carpet in the head. That smell is embedded in my soul. If your boat had 2004 carpeting in the bathroom, that's a mold experiment. Then we have jet boats in crosswind. You're basically drifting sideways while everyone watches. Feels like driving a bar of soap. And then those 30-footers that are listed as a project. This is not HGTV. If your decks are soft and your gauges don't work, you're just adopting a money pit. If you've been here, you know. If you haven't, just don't say I don't warn you.